Hello, I'm Mr. M. I'm working with Jit4Dev. In this video, I will be talking about how to export shapefile to KML with image. Before I start, don't forget subscribe to my channel to get a new information about GIS. Firstly, I will talk about concept. This is an example shapefile. It has column, ID, name, and picture. About picture column, it contains part of image. The main concept is just create a new column and transform a normal image part to KML image part. Okay, this is the first step. Generate a new column. Click on Data Source Manager on the top left of screen. Click Vector tab and Browse File. Select thai.ssp and click Open. I will give you the example file below this video. Click Add and close this window. Before I generate a new column, I will show you an existing data. It has GID, name_1 and picture. Now I will generate a new column. Click on Open Field Calculator. Click on Create Virtual Field and output field name is pick. Field type string. I write expression for transform normal image part to KML image part. If your expression correct, QGIS will show you output preview and image. Click OK. Last step, I will show you how to export shapefile to KML. Right-click on Layer. Select Export and click on Save Feature As. Fill in file name which you want. In my case, thai.kml and click Save. Click on Coordinate Reference System button. Typing 3857 and click this item because Google Earth use this coordinate system. Then click OK. Name field. Fill in name_1 and then click OK for export to KML. Now I will show you how it works in Google Earth. When I click on polygon, it will show attribute and it will show image together. If you have any question, you can write down in a comment box. Don't forget, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye สวัสดีครับ